Oboko, the largest slum in Anambra State. Oboko is a town located in the Owerri local government area of Anambra State. It shares boundary with the southern parts of Onitsha within the Fege axis. Oboko sits on the bank of River Niger. Oboko is a very chaotic neighborhood and notorious for inhabiting most of the hoodlums that terrorize Onitsha city, especially the illegal tax collectors, popularly known as Nnewi. Most of the pickpocketers and thieves dotted across Okpoko, Head Bridge and Owerri Road in Onitsha all have their dens in Oboko. Being a known fact that Onitsha is the gateway to Anambra State and Enugu as a whole, and that Oboko, the deadly zone, sits right at the southern end of the entrance into Anambra and Enugu, it became obvious that for sanity and a very safe environment where traders from across the world can come, trade and invest without fears to be achieved, Oboko has to be cleansed. This was the reason the new governor of Anambra State, His Excellency Prof. Chukwuma Soludo, declared a special interest in transforming Oboko into a livable, sane neighborhood free from hoodlums even during his campaigns. Now, Governor Soludo just visited Oboko a day after his swearing in, toured around the whole neighborhood to see things for himself in order to put off a perfect plan for transforming the place. The people were in intense joy on his arrival, with a great feeling of hope after so many decades of negligence. Governor Soludo was given a very warm welcome. He reassured Oboko people that they will smile once again. He also assured them that he will drive Nnewi people off the streets of Oboko and Anambra State, with the people cheering aloud to the idea. At a time when Anambra and Nnewi have all given up on their leaders, Soludo arrived and the hopes of the people were turned round once again. Everyone is optimistic and we hope Soludo succeeds.
Ladies and gentlemen, the newest governor in Nigeria, and the professor governor of Nigeria is here. We are talking of no other person than the man that protected your money and my money in the central bank. The former central bank governor, he is here. And the man that Anambra people gathered in mass and said that they are going to make the next governor of Anambra State to sit at the helm of affairs and decide the fate of Anambra. We are talking about the man that started campaigning and he was mentioning Oboko at every campaign. The man that had been sworn in yesterday as the governor of Anambra State, and he is here today to fulfill the promise of beginning his function in Oboko. The man that worked almost 5 hours yesterday after swearing in ceremony. 6 hours yesterday. I'm talking of no other person but the first professor governor in Nigeria, the best educated governor in Africa, and the governor that loves decency, the governor that has forced illegal collection.
Ghana.